We have some beautiful conditions, only about 15 minutes away from sunrise this morning. Another lovely day in store, going to be exactly like yesterday. The only difference is it might be slightly warmer. The next chance of rain heads our way on Thursday, but there is a question on how much rain we could see. Very serene start to our day. Temperatures right now 68 in Louisville, 62 in Bardstown, 59 in Campbellsville, in Brandenburg. So outskirt communities, if you want to crack your window up this morning, if you have enough time to maybe have that cup of coffee on the porch, it's going to be a really lovely start. We have low humidity, and really that's the thing we focus about on how comfortable it's going to be throughout the summertime are those humidity levels. So it's going to feel comfortable, but it's always a good idea to cool off, especially when we have a high of 89, which is our average high. We're in the hottest time of the year here over the next few weeks. 89 for your high temperature today. Some spots might be staying in the mid 80s. So on Thursday, I mentioned that's our next chance of rain. So a marginal risk level 1 covers a very sparse area here across the United States. That's because the uncertainty of where this low pressure is going to track. Two different scenarios. Scenario number 1, that's our wetter scenario. It could head right across the Ohio River. That will bring us multiple rounds of storms. Now, however, if that low pressure has a more southerly track, then it will be much drier and barely any rain that we'll see on Thursday. So I'm going to show you the model that's showing more of the wetter scenario. Beautiful sunshine today, no chance of rain in that forecast. Tomorrow morning, the first half of the day is going to be dry, but you'll notice those clouds starting to build as we head towards the afternoon. Now there's a line of storms that kind of falls apart over us, so there's only a chance of seeing a scattered sprinkle Wednesday evening. Now this is where the rain could start to ramp up Thursday afternoon, late morning into the afternoon, multiple rounds of storm possible, but the overall severe weather risk is low. We could maybe see a few strong wind gusts if that scenario happens. So just know that 60% could increase or it could decrease depending on where that low pressure heads. Friday, 40% chance of seeing some scattered storms. Temperatures are going to be in the upper 80s, but it's going to feel like the low to mid 90s with high heat index values with how much humidity is in that forecast. For your weekend ahead on Sunday, 20% chance, the driest day of the weekend, and then we'll have an off chance of another storm on Monday. So really the only day with no rain with crystal blue skies is today. So it's going to be a really nice day ahead.